Good morning, dears. Do you remember our story, Old Man Kangaroo? Okay, so our story is about a kangaroo who looked like a rabbit with four short legs. And what was his wish? His only intention was to become the most popular animal in the world, is it? So for that, he went to see little god Inkwell, middle god Inkwing, and the great god Inkwang. So among these three gods, finally who agreed to make him popular? Yes, the great god Inkwang. For that what he did? The great god Inkwang asked his yellow dog Dingo to help Kangaroo. And this yellow dog, who is always hungry and always dusty, began to run after the kangaroo. And so they ran through mountains, deserts, swamps, trees, long grass until the kangaroo's legs now got ached, is it? So finally, now they reached near a river, Wollongong. But our kangaroo didn't find any bridge or ferry there to cross this river, is it? Okay, so now let's continue. So dear students, our next portion is on page number 18. See, the kangaroos did not know how to cross the river. So he stood on his legs and began to hope. He hoped and hoped and hoped, just like a kangaroo does nowadays. He had to. He tucked up his front legs. He hopped with his hind legs. His hind legs became longer and stronger. His tail became longer, broader, and stronger. He no longer looked like a rabbit. Poor dog Dingo, always hungry and always dusty. He was tired of running. So, both of them, our kangaroo and the yellow dog Dingo, reached near the river, but they didn't find anything to cross the river. Did they? No. So, kangaroo, he just stood on his legs and began to hop, which means what? He just tried to move from one place to another by jumping on one foot. We have seen this in some movies, cartoons and all, no? Same way. Okay. Means the same way like kangaroos does nowadays. He tucked up his front legs and he hopped with his hind legs. So by using his front legs, he tucked up. He tucked up means he just pushed his front legs and started to hop by using his hind legs, which means by just pushing and jumping, he started to move from one place to another. The same way that we have seen in movies and all, no? The same way the kangaroo does nowadays. So, what was the result? See, his hind legs became longer and stronger. So, until this time, it was just like a rabbit's legs, is it? He had very four short legs, but now it became longer as well as stronger, and his tail became longer, broader, and stronger. So he now never looked like a rabbit. But our poor dog Dingo, no, he is always hungry and always dusty, is it? He now became tired. He was tired of running. On next page, he could not catch the kangaroo. Down sat Dingo. He sat down and panted with his tongue hanging out. He could not catch the kangaroo. The great god Engwang had kept his promise. The kangaroo was now different from all other animals. Look at this picture in your book and see for yourself. And that is why the kangaroo hopped so fast. And that is why he looks different from all the other animals. See this figure? So at last, our yellow dog Dingo was tired and he sat down with his tongue out. And our kangaroo's wish was fulfilled, is it? He is now different from all other animals of his wish. So our writer is saying that this is the reason that kangaroos hop so fast. My dear children, so now let's move on to the exercise. And before moving to exercise, let me say something. Before writing or before answering these questions, you should definitely read our chapter 2 or 3 times as much as you can. Okay, and then you will be thorough with the chapter. After that, truly, you should answer these questions, and you should not take any help from your parents or whoever. Okay, just try to read it 2 3 times, then only you should try to answer these questions. Okay, so see the first question. Long ago the kangaroo was, the options are: first one, tall and fat and had 2 legs; second one, short and woolly and had 4 legs; third one, short and bald and had no legs. Second question, the kangaroo was very proud, very slow, very lazy. And third one, the kangaroo wanted to be different from all the other animals, like all the other animals. And third one, like some of the other animals. Fourth one, the yellow dog Dingo began to, first option, laugh at the old man kangaroo. Second one, run after the old man kangaroo. Third one, eat the old man kangaroo. And last one, as the kangaroo hopped, his hind legs became longer and stronger. Second option, his front legs became longer and stronger. And third option, the yellow dog became longer and stronger. So I'm saying again and again, first of all, you should read the chapter 2 3 times. Then only you should start to answer these questions. Okay.